Little baby cutie, little baby cutie eats an almond. Cutie has become very friendly, and he knows when the whole creche is here, it is best to find a safe place to sit and enjoy breakfast in peace. What more can a young man ask for? His speed of eating has become quite fast in the last few weeks. This is little Cutie again. He wants to perch on the safety of the arm and enjoy his almond, his little organic almond. Hello, Cutie. Hello. Hello, Cutie. Hello. Hello. I love his head bobbing baby actions. You want more? You want more? You want more?